Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create HTTP custom files in 2024. Before we proceed, I want to emphasize that this video is for educational purposes only, and we will not be held responsible for any misuse of the content provided here. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Before creating the file, let's explore a bit about HTTP Custom. It's a VPN application that provides fast and secure internet connections. One of the main connection types it uses is SSH, which stands for Secure Shell. HTTP Custom also supports several other connection methods. 1. SSH. This uses SSH to connect to the internet. 2. SNI Back Host. This method allows us to focus on connecting securely, and it's what we will be covering in this video. 3. Slow DNS. This connects through DNS. I've covered Slow DNS in a previous video. You can find that link in the description. 4. UDP. This method allows faster data transfer. Check out the tutorial I've done on configuring UDP on HTTP Custom. Again, the link is in the description. 5v2-Ray, another powerful method which I've also covered separately. You can find that video in the description below. 6. Siphon. This method tunnels data in a non-traditional way, giving access to restricted content. Today we'll focus on creating an HTTP custom file using the SNI Back Host method. First things first, head over to your Google Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. You can also use the link provided in the video description to directly install the app. Once installed, open the application and you're ready to begin. To create the file using the SSL method, we will need two main things. 1. An SSH server. 2. An SNI Back Host. For the SSH server, we'll be using a website called SSH Ocean. Let's dive into the steps. Getting an SSH server, open your browser and go to sshocean.com. Once you're on the SSH Ocean website, follow these steps. 1. Click on the SSH Web section. 2. Scroll down and select the country you want to create the server from. 3. After selecting your country, scroll down further and choose a server. Ensure the server is online and has remaining accounts available for creation. 4. Click on Create. 5. Enter your preferred username and password, then click Create again. 6. Scroll down and copy the second payload. Once you have the payload, head back to the HTTP Custom app. Now in the HTTP Custom app, 1. In the navigation bar, select Payload and paste the payload you copied earlier. 2. Then go back to SSH Ocean and copy your hostname. 3. In HTTP Custom, click on SNI and paste the hostname you copied. Next, we need to generate an SNI Back Host. For this, go to ketco.za and the link to this website is in the description. 1. Once on the website, click the search icon and type SNI. 2. Choose SNI Back Host Generator. 3. Scroll down, select your country and click Generate. 4. Copy one of the generated SNIs, then return to the HTTP Custom app. 5. Paste the copied SNI in the designated field in HTTP Custom. Now set the port to 443. For the username and password, go back to the SSH Ocean site, copy your credentials, and paste them into the app. At this point, let's modify the payload. 1. Copy your SNI from earlier. 2. Go to the navigation bar and click on Payload. 3. Replace the host name with the copied SNI Back Host. 4. Go back to SSH Ocean, copy your host name and paste it where it says SNI Back Host. After that, click Apply and you're almost done. Now, click on Connect to test your connection. Once connected, your HTTP custom file is ready. To save it, 1. Click on the play icon and choose Save Config. 2. Give your configuration a name of your choice. 3. You can set an expiry date and add notes to the config if you plan to share it. You'll find the saved config file in your internal storage under the HTTP custom folder. That's how you create your own HTTP custom files in 2024. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Until next time, take care and peace.